Today we're making caramel apple popcorn. Alright, today we're going to be making apple caramel popcorn. And we are going to be using this green apple Floss sugar product. So we're going to be making some popcorn in the green apple flavor. And then we're going to make some in this caramel flavor too. And then we're going to mix the two together. So let's get started. Alright, we got 1.5 cups of corn oil and 3 cups of kernels. Alright, we're heating up our kernels, getting that going. And once this starts popping, we'll add our gold medal green apple. Kernels are starting to pop. Alright, here we go. We got 1.5 cups of our green apple gold medal. Get that stirred up, nice and melted. Let's get that going. Let it heat back up. Popcorn's starting to pop again. Oh yeah, you can really smell that green apple. It smells great. All popped up. Turn off the heat. There we have nice green apple popcorn. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice and coated all over. And as this cools down, it'll even start to look like it's even more coated once it starts to cool down. Let's give it a try. Oh, yeah. The flavor is really bold. It tastes just like green apple Jolly Rancher. Really, really great stuff. All right, we got our green apple popcorn going here. Now we're going to get our caramel corn, and so we can mix it together. Making caramel corn, so 1.5 cups of corn oil, 3 cups of popcorn kernels. All right, we're heating up our oil, we're heating up our kernels. Wait for that to start popping a little bit, and then we'll add our caramel glaze pop. Alright, it's really starting to heat up now. You can smell that corn oil cooking. Starting to get a little pop in there. Let's add our 1.5 cups of caramel glaze pop to that. Get it nice and mixed up. Stuff gets nice and foamy. Oh yeah, you can really smell the caramel. That stuff smells terrific, heated up. So just stir that up, make sure it's nice and mixed up. Get that back up to temperature. That popcorn will start popping again. Pop. Alright, you can see it's starting to get that caramel mixture on there. Really good. Alright, got that caramel corn all popped up. Finish off the last couple pieces popping. Turn off the heat. have our green apple that we popped earlier. And now we're just gonna dump this in and mix it all up. Look at the way that caramel corn mixes with the green apple. As you mix it, it'll start to cool down some more. This is one batch of green apple and one batch of caramel corn that we put in here. We let it cool down a little bit and we got it mixed up. Let's give it a try. Let's take a look at that. Look at the coating on that popcorn, that caramel coating. And then we'll grab one of the green apple ones, a couple of the green apples. So we have that. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah, that's great. The caramel corn, nice and buttery. The caramel corn, very flavorful. You have the green apple and kind of balances it really great. And got really nice caramel apple popcorn. Please check out the description down below where we have links to get the Glaze Pop for the caramel corn, and we also have links for the Floss Sugar by Gold Medal for the green apple. Get poppin'.